Hello, dear students. Good morning to all of you. As we were discussing about the small business, so dear students, in the previous class we have discussed about the role of a small scale industries in socio-economic development of India. Now today, dear students, we will discuss about the role or importance of a small business in rural India. Because dear students, as we know that until or unless if we are talking about the growth and development of the country, if we are talking about the growth and development of the nation, then it is quite impossible that without the growth and development of the rural part of the country, the complete economy can be developed. So today we will discuss about that how a small business is contributing in growth and development of the rural India. So dear students, first of all, we will talk about that, or we can say the importance of small industries or a small business in rural rural India. That is, it provides employment in rural areas. Dear students, today we can see there are so many small business established in rural areas like horticulture, pisciculture, animal husbandries, fisheries. These all businesses are providing a kind of employment, because previously it was seen that most of the people were completely dependent on the agriculture. Without, except the farming, they don't know anything and they do not have any employment opportunities. And they were sitting idle, they were wasting their time by sitting idle, by leading their time only simply by making gossips and others. But now today we have lots of small businesses in each and every rural areas. There these small businesses are providing a kind of employment in rural areas. Dear students, cottage and rural industries provides employment opportunities in rural areas, as there are labor oriented enterprises. Because as if we are talking about animal husbandry, if we are talking about running of poultry farm, if we are talking about horticulture or pisciculture, these all are a kind of small business which is providing employment to so many people nowadays. And being a labor intensive work, most of the work is going to be done by the people, not by the machines. Therefore, it is contributing in increasing the employment opportunity in rural areas. It is said by Mahatma Gandhi that if we have to make the growth and development of the nation, then first of all we have to think about the growth and development of the rural areas. So on this term, and especially he emphasized on the development of the small business. So now we are moving towards the growth and development of the small business, which is contributing in growth and development of the rural India as well as in the economy too. Now dear students, due to increase in employment opportunity in rural areas, the economic condition of the country will automatically improve. Because dear students, some small business provide multiple sources of income to the rural households. And as we know that small scale industries improves economic conditions and standard of living of the people living in those areas. Because due to establishment of the industries, these cottage industries or small industries, the concerned goods are going to be sold in the market, and they are connecting, these people are getting a connection or connect with the urban areas lifestyle as with the rural areas lifestyle. And due to this, not only in lifestyle but also due to increase in the income, due to increase in the earning, they change their lifestyle, their living standard is changing, and continuously their incomes are increasing. And due to increase in the incomes, the economic condition of the country or per capita income of the country is also increasing. Now the next rule or importance of small scale industries is it prevent it prevents migration. Previously, dear students, it was seen when most of the people were depended on agricultural activities or farming, then after studying or after getting the education, most of the people were leaving the their native places and moving towards the urban areas in the search of the employment. But nowadays, dear students, people are staying in their own village, in their own native place, and they are starting a kind of business enterprises at a small level, which is preventing the migration of the people from one place to another place in search of the employment. Now, dear students, the next importance is utilization of local resources. Dear students, as we know that small businesses have small businesses have the requirement of raw material which is usually found in local way, or we can say which is found over there where the business is situated. So dear students, the people do not need to move here and there, and they do not need to be worried about the requirement or fulfillment of the resources. They often use the local resources, for example coir, wood and other products. Suppose that if good is making jaggery, then they needs only ganna, that is sugarcane. Thereafter they simply convert these jaggeries into gur. So dear students, otherwise we can also take the example of basket makings and other pots and utensils which are going to be made by the local materials by the people. Now dear students, next importance is equitable distribution of rational income. Dear students, small scale industries and cottage industries ensures equitable distribution of the national income. So dear students, this helps to reduce the gap between rich and the poor in the country. Now dear students, the next important, that is it is also creating a kind of balanced regional development situation. Due to small industries, all the part of the country is involved in different kind of activities. That's why it is promoting and developing their lifestyle too. That's why the regional imbalance situation is finished, and now the balanced regional development is taking place. So dear students, these enterprises are often dependent on local resource of production. This way industry do not need just limited themselves to a particular place, but diversify, and this helps in balanced regional development too. So dear students, this is the importance of these are the importance of a small business in growth and development of rural India. Tomorrow we will start the discussion, that is the problem of small scale industries. Till then, thank you.